Welcome back as we have jobs, interest rates. We actually have some Bitcoin at the end of this video, but let's start with Feds. Kashkari sees risk jobless rate could pop higher. Following up, you have from the Economic Times, US markets brace for volatile start as jobs data and geopolitics take center stage. Ooh. If you guys look at your unemployment rate, you guys see in 2025 we had a slight increase towards the end of the year, and that's not good. If you look at 2020, shot up, you couldn't get a job, fine. In 2008, though, you saw the same little, well, how should we say it? Steps up slowly and then it shot through the roof. Hopefully, we don't have that again. Otherwise, that would be bad. And the Powell era sunset. Fed braces for 2026 transition as rate cut hopes dim for January. Let's go look at rates real quick. Here's what the Fed follows: the 2-year yield. You have the orange line representing the Fed, and my chart will make it blue. That's the 2-year yield. You're in a pattern currently. You either break up or you break down. We don't know yet. It's just gone flat inside of this pattern. We also have the historical data from Fred, the federal funds target range. In 2020, you have basically the same setup as we have now. We are just on a much bigger scale. You see the climb up, and then Fed says we're estimated to go back down. So they came back down. One problem, though, is it shot down. Hopefully it doesn't shoot down, because then you get gray bar, and that is recession. We're over here on the right, and you can see same setup. Also, tariffs may lower inflation. SF Fed research suggests. Let's do some history. Before we do that, actually, let's do some 10-year yield. Here's your 10-year yield for you guys that don't know or do know. This is what your mortgages are set to. This is also an inflation indicator. When it goes up, more inflation. When it comes down, less inflation. Right now, we have this pattern here that it broke up out of. As of right now, it is retesting the pattern. Hopefully, you better hope it keeps going down. If it goes up, you're gonna have more inflation. Going back to what I originally was gonna do, which was a lesson, a fun little history lesson. You have William McKinley in 1890. He put in tariffs, which in 1890 there was significant financial disturbance known as the Panic of 1890. Market problems, essentially. You also have Herbert Hoover. He implemented some tariffs in 1930, which saw the beginning of the severe prolonged downturn known as the Great Depression. We have currently, Mr. President, he put in very large tariffs. And before you guys come at me saying, oh, but every president put in a little bit of tariffs here and there, yes, they did. But these three have put in the largest in history, so that's why they're on here. Continuing, you have the president currently who has very large tariffs on everything. That is very like the situations here. It's like, get me once, that's my fault. Get me twice, that's it's not fun. 3 times, yeah, let's hope it's not the third time's a charm and it works again. Remember, this is just history. Hopefully it doesn't repeat, as history almost always repeats. Anyways, let's go to Bitcoin. I have your Bitcoin on the line here, daily time frame. We have the pattern that I displayed last week, and Saturday it decided to break up out of the pattern. Yay! Now your Bitcoin is going up. Only problem is you're below the giant 200-day moving average that I have, which means it has more pressure to the downside than the upside, which means most likely it won't hit this price target that I have set here, which is about 100,000. And now, with all this fun new information that you have learned, I keep telling you to start a business. I don't care what it is, just sell something. Your wages won't keep up. I heavily emphasize starting a business. Also, trading. I trade a lot. You guys can also learn from me. But you would have to personally ask me in the comment section, and make sure you like this video and share it if you think somebody wants to look at any of the charts that I showed today. And I will see you guys Wednesday.